What's your name?
Rachel, I'm running to the gas station.
Okay, Joe, let's see you throw the frisbee, Joe. Joe, throw me the frisbee. Throw it here, Joe. Let's see you throw it again, okay? Cheese, throw the frisbee.
All he does is
Throw the frisbee, Joe.
Jojo, throw the frisbee. Come on, Joe. There you go. Turn that. Ready? Spaghetti.
Get your frisbee, Joe. You did?
Yeah, I put it in. Don't hug him, Alicia. Whatever you do, don't hug him. You don't like us.
Can you throw it to me, please? Moby. Come here, give me a kiss. I need a kiss. It's emergency.
Joe, get the frisbee, Joe.
Jojo, not with your
Get the frisbee, Joe.
throw the frisbee, please, Jojo.
Get the frisbee, Joe.
There you go. Woo! Yes. Oh.
Oh, Joe, let's see you do it again. Throw it to Alicia.
Big good one. Come on. Woo! Uh-oh.
Can you go get it, Joe? Can you go get it, Joe? Go get it, Joe.
Can you go get it? Here, go get it. Here. Shmooby! Shmooby, come here. It's an emergency. It's an emergency, kid. Oh. Oh, this is me and my Poopy. Hey, Daddy. This is me and Poopy Shmooby. He's my firstborn baby.
Throw the frisbee, Joe. Let's see you throw it. Joe, can you throw the frisbee?
Poopy! Jojo, throw the frisbee, buddy. Throw it. Come on, Joe. Come on, Jojo.
Woo! Daddy, take a
What?
picture of me in my car.
Okay, 1 minute. I gotcha. I want to take a picture of Joe again. Throw it here, Joe. Throw it to Daddy.
There you go.
Woo! You and me.
Hi.
I'm gonna put some gas. I think some gas in the car.
What are you doing? Go get it. Oh, you're a bad thing. My arms are trying to.
Daddy, I'm almost finished. You know what, Daddy? These animals. They're in the car. You don't have to get it, Joe.
Come on, Joe. Go, Gigi, go. Go get it.
Rachel, you better give it to Joe.
No. Come on, Gigi. Woo, Gigi. I'm not tickling. You're out of luck.
This is Mother during trial.
There's a whole truth in advertising thing here we won't get into, but
Huh?
are you coming out, Joe? Joe, throw the frisbee to Daddy, okay? Throw it to me. Hey, Jack, I'm taking a picture of you.
Yes. Well, sorry, Alicia. Yes.
Honey, Hi, Joe.
Take my t-shirt again.
Wait, I don't need it. Wait, honey, come on.
Come on, Joe. Throw it to us.
Hey, that was the wrong way, pal.
Hey.
I think you better get, honey, you better get that one.
Wait, Mommy, get it. The roses are an owie. Come over here and throw it. Okay. Watch your head, Alicia. Woo!
Joseph, can you throw it to me? Joseph, can you throw the frisbee to Daddy? Joseph, who are you?
Rachel.
Who's that?
Can you come?
Who's Rachel, though?
Me, I.
But what do you do?
Come on, Dad. I'm putting the gas in my.
Okay, let's see.
I stopped at the gas station.
What does gas do?
It's my car when Papa's eating. No. Hey, Daddy, can you get your No, you want to? No. I let him go play.
Where are you going, Joe? Rachel, he knows where he's going. You going in the house, Joe? Or are you going inside? Or you want to go outside, Joe? Inside or outside?
What happened? Are you okay? I sprained my ankle and he landed right on it. Don't hurt Alicia. That hurt. Oh, Alicia, are you okay, honey?
When did you do that? Did you do it?
Saturday, but I did it playing basketball, but I never. Are you okay? Yeah, it hurts a lot. Martha injured Alicia. Jojo, you want to throw the ball?
Honey, he's playing golf. There it is, Joe. You can play golf. What?
I'm going with my own.
Now just point that at whoever you want to take a picture of. Now take a picture of Rachel over there.
Yeah. Hi, Rachel. Cheese.
Say cheese, Joe.
Cheese.
Say cheese, Joseph. Joe, say cheese. Point it at Joe, Jack. Say cheese.
No.
Say cheese. What are you doing, Joe? What do you sound like he's doing, Jack?
Hi, Rachel. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Rachel's on TV.
Can you see her?
Yeah. Hi, Rachel. Okay, it's Hi, Tree. I'm bonking my head. Ouch, ouch, ouch. You got that,
Now do you see me?
Yes.
Let's get Gigi.
Okay, you got me? Yay! Shama, baba.
No.
Tell us what you're taking a picture of, Jack, because it's here recorded.
Mom, say cheese.
Cheese. I'm a hoodie.
Oh no, we're gonna get slammed by Gigi.
Hi. Come on.
Hit the ball, Joe.
All the way up around here.
Okay, Jack, that's all. Here, hand it here. Hand it to Okay, Jackie, be gentle. Hi, Jojo. Hi, Jackie. It's my boys with the binkies and their babas.
What are you boys doing?
They're snuggling.
Hi, Jackie. Hi, Jojo.
Hi, Mom.
Do you love your little brother, Jack?
I love Mom. And
How about Jojo?
I love Jojo and
Are you gonna?
I love all my family. And my dinosaurs too.
Are they in your family?
They're my helper.
No, okay.
Daddy!
Yes, Joe.
Can you get a ball?
You want a ball? Are you coming down? Where are you going?
It's getting a ball. You sweetie. Joe, where's your tummy?
Daddy,
Yes, Joe.
A basketball.
Stop it. I don't want that in my food. How about Joe could be Godzilla? Joe, you like I was over around too.
What are you doing, Jacob? Oh.
Are you gonna get me?
Joe, get it and have a sword fight with Jack. Have a sword fight, Joe. I'm going to put you on the camera, okay? Go get your sword. Why?
Because I have
No, Joe, you can't have the camera. Go get your sword, Joe. No? Joseph, come back here.
Father,
Joseph, it's on you right now. Ready, Liesel?
I can't now.
Why?
Because I don't want the videotape on. I only want the video of me seeing that.
Yeah, the video's going to be on you singing the song, okay? Rachel? Come on, it's just taping you singing the song. You did so beautiful. I just want to save it forever. Hi, Jack. Please. Liesel.
Not me, stupid.
No.
I want to look at them.
Rachel.
I want to look at them.
Rachel.
I want to look at them.
Hang on, Jack.
Hey, what are you doing?
Listen, I'll just hold it right here, okay? Look, I won't even aim it at you, okay?
I can make it.
Rachel. Just one time for me. Don't touch it.
No.
Why not, honey?
Please, Dad, I want to see.
Will you do it for me one more time if I turn the video off? Okay.
I cannot see a darn thing in here.
We're going under the water. Miss Johnny, we're going under the water.
No, let me see that.
Okay, what? Now what?
Okay, I'm watching. Wow, look at girls go.
And look at me, watch me. Watch me, Rachel. Rachel, watch this. Rachel, watch this. Rachel, watch this. Rachel, come back up.
I saw that, Jack. Yeah, Jack. I'm watching.
Did you see me going down the water? Yeah.
Good boy, Jack. I took a picture, Jack.
We're sharks right now.
Good, Richie.
We like wearing. Mommy, did you see me go so fast? Mommy, did you see me go so fast? We're going under the water. I got some juice up into the water. I could.
Oh, Jack.
Skip it out, Jack.
I took it out. I don't want it out. Did you see me go so fast, Mom? Did you see me go so fast? Yeah. You're not Mom.
When the big hand's on the 9.
No, wait now. Wait. Mom.
Parker, do some jumps right there. Your life jacket on.
We can go with the splash. What a help me. I am a shoulder.
Are you having fun?
And I'm a boy too.
Wow, look at you guys go.
Tucker canceled at 10.
For today,
Mom, I took it out.
not yet, 15
Tucker's
minutes.
tuckered out for today.
Mom, please.
Tucker's tuckered out. That can happen.
No, this
Got a while.
Mommy, why is he going away? she's having her lesson now.
Good with Jack.
Or we could get out and get ready for our gymnastics.
We were
jumping under the water.
I saw you girls doing that.
There we go, ma'am.
Going very.
You were.
Came back up.
Right. The water dropped
Swamp
right
going
back up to the top. Well, good. Go get it.
Yeah.
No way, I'm not going to die.
You did it.
I think Joan has a special tree to keep the cat in. Don't jump on our heads.
I got
Cover up.
Mama, I need to go to the bathroom. Mama, I need to go to the bathroom. Don't even think about it. Okay? Don't even think about it. Don't just think about it.
Right.
Watch it.
Well, there was a girl last week who was playing with him a lot. Yeah. He would throw things in the water and she'd chase them. No, there was Brianna or something.
You were not supposed to do that.
I couldn't do.
All right, come here. I'm going to take this off. Next time we wait.
How much did Zoe retain over the summer, over the winter?
Joan, would you answer her? Oh, about 500 times. Yes.
You have to at least.
Because he doesn't know how to take a swing.
Good job.
He's not safe yet with a life jacket like you and Jack. It's going to be a few more days.
If they're gonna yell your name, have them yell
Come
the
on,
first
Jack.
name.
Jack, you want Jack.
He's like the appearance. No pulling, no touching.
Don't touch.
Hunter, you have 5 more minutes in it.
Good. That's the way. But don't splash when you do it, okay? When you do it, you want
Why do I have to have 5 more
under
minutes?
the water. Move it under the water like this, so when you lift your face up, you don't have any splashes to go in your face.
I can go back.
Yeah, your girlfriend's gonna run you over. Yeah, very pretty. Okay. Come on down, we'll race you.
Okay, let's try that.
I need to get my slippers on.
She doesn't have flippers on, you come race. Come on.
You guys are gonna win, I know. You.
No, just you and her are racing, not me.
See, I can't go very fast.
Joseph.
Hannah. Good. That's good, girl. We have to do 2 more.
For you? Not this Thursday?
Yeah.
Now make sure you get the ticket for me. Remember, you're gonna stay.
Did she make a splash?
Yes, she did.
Jojo. Joseph.
Rachel, can you go with Gigi? Is it good?
Nice jump, Rachel.
Know that when you go into the water gets you right back up again?
You're jumping? You're like a jumping bug?
Yeah.
Like sticking them.
The water lifts you up.
Yep, it does.
The water. The water lifts. Yeah, 'cause water is
You swam so pretty on your lesson. Is that why you're all tired? Because you did your best on your lesson?
It's a good day.
I like your robes, though. Hey, Zoe, stand up so I can take a picture of you in your robe. Zoe, can you stand up so I can take a picture of you in your robe? Oh, it's gorgeous. Very pretty.
Did you want to get out?
What?
Did you want to get out?
Well, even.
Is it out? Out?
Oh, really?
Nobody play with me.
What are you doing, Zoe?
You on a motor cruiser, Zoe?
I caught a wind from the stick.
Yeah.
What's in? I'm gonna go in the water.
Okay.
I bought my flippers 3 times today.
Okay, let's see.
I don't know where
Yeah, swim to the
I
end.
can't be stuck.
All
Show
right.
Daddy how you can swim to the end and back.
Oh, that it's almost right here.
Is it?
Yeah, we were going to tell you. Went to my mom was.
Yeah. Why don't you just swim to the end and show Daddy how you do it?
You like those?
Well, not with your kickboard. Just swim. Okay, go. That's it. Use your big arms, Jack.
This is the way you do big arms.
That's right,
There we
Rick.
go. Look how good.
Yeah. Good boy, Jack.
Use your big arms. It makes you go faster. And show Daddy and swim back. But don't forget your big arms.
I want to see that, Jack. I want to see the big arms.
He does it with such determination and such strength.
Go on like this or like this. Have your arm like this.
Oh, Joe is over there just throwing all the tools and toys in the.
Very kind of thing when she lays him down and tells him to swim to her, he sort of lies. Great, let's take a look.
You're the motor. Good job. Take a shot of me. Wait, you come up with the camera's gonna be right here. And
Yeah, I'm gonna get a little bit of Joe and then I'll get you some more, okay?
Move over, Garrett. Turn around this way. Okay, stand up here. Those are for girls. No, he's gonna play with it. Come on, close. You have to concentrate on this.
Uh-oh, they're children. That's the way you have bubbles, Mommy, Dad. I have to spit it off the water. And then bubbles.
Can you believe that's our happy little swimmers? Remember when you started? Okay, that was me. Watch this.
Big arms, Connor, big arms.
I like when you get that big cloud.
You like that?
Yeah.
He likes it too.
Yo, see, with the squashies all the time.
Yeah, I know. Good job. Who's letting all these kickboards go? That's right. Good job, Connor. Is it calling off?
I need kickboard. For my lesson, I can use kickboard.
Oh no. Big arms. arm. Fingertips in first. You want to jump to me? Yeah, he's a flashing boy.
Yeah.
Big arm.
Tell you all I like those flashes.
Yeah, he likes those
So take
flashes.
a photo. Like all the time.
Way up your arms up.
Thank you.
Yay, come on.
Watch
Come
out.
this way, darling. 1, 2, 3, go. Way up high. Good, way up high. Come on.
What's
Yep,
that?
I know. Good boy. Hold on tight. Good boy. Bring him up with me. Show him how to save yourself. 1, 2, 3. Good. Grab the side. Good. Hold on tight. To show.
Dad.
Yeah, Joe.
Great job. So he doesn't jump on top of you. Good.
You can, Jack, wipe your face with your hands. Wipe your eyes with your hands. That way it will get the water off faster.
Good.
See that? There's no kids. Not Parker.
Good girl. What was all that? Yeah, we shot it up.
I have my flippers on.
That's good, Jack. Good. Hey, Rachel,
Because
this
I'm
time
ready
do
for
your big
action.
arms, okay?
Because I'm ready for action. I'm ready for action.
You're ready for action? Oh, good. Well, I like it.
It's like a basketball.
Good, Rachel. Keep picking up the top.
I got it. Tony,
Yeah.
what time will we go down there and then?
Oh, one more
Oh,
time.
good.
We're going to put flippers on. Okay. Does somebody else have the blue?
Nope.
Oh, we have new red shirts.
Dad, can turn on me.
I'm gonna, when it's your lesson, Jack.
Dad, over here. Dad, over here.
I know.
Over by the green basket.
Ryan, you still on top.
Where's Karen today? At school today?
Is that the duet?
You just had to do that, didn't you?
Yeah.
Was there a ring down there?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought maybe you would pick it up. Stay on top, woman.
Summer's nice one too.
Is it? Very good, Ryan.
Not supposed to be doing that.
Okay, don't force the sides now. I want you to use your big arms, okay? You can't do big arms. when
Don't
you
climb
force
up
the
me.
sides. Stay on top and use big arms. That's better. Good. Good job. Very good, Rachel. Roll over. Good. Big arms. Good girl. Keep coming. Yeah. Very good. Who is humming those nice doubles? Is that you? Was it? almost all better. That's good. Uh-oh. Just swim. Ice and water. Good bubbles, Rachel. Keep coming. Big arms. Good. I can hear you. Bubbles, so, you know. Good. Come bubbles and keep coming.
Not on top of me.
Good, Rachel. Keep coming. You're doing great.
Dad, did you know that I had a good,
A little bit more, Rachel. Kick at the top. Kick at the top. You can do it. Kick at the top.
Hang on, Jack.
Dad, watch, I'm gonna fall back in the water.
Okay.
Good, Larry.
Not kick at the top.
She's safe with constant adult supervision with a swimmer. With just flippers on, but you have to be in the pool with her all the time.
Right.
Yeah, and not for long periods of time. Like 20 to 30 minutes max.
Dad, I'm gonna do it again.
But she's not quite pool safe. She's almost there. Good job.
Okay, Rach.
Not going to be left behind in this grade. Come those bubbles, come. Good girl.
She must just be exhausted when she's done because she works so hard.
Yeah, she does work really hard, but she has a lot of energy. It's amazing. Wish God would have given the mom this.
One more?
Yep, but you know what? Keep your head down so the water hits you on top of the head and not in the face. Don't be tempted to look up, okay? Can you keep your head like that? Okay. And don't kick him. Wait till you get in the water. Come. Ouch. He wants to look right at us. So it's smacked. But she's so tough it doesn't make it like Superman. Yes.
Yeah, I heard, Daddy.
Pay attention.
Swim.
Good. Come bubbles.
Swim down here and I'll put your flippers on. There we go. There.
Good boy. Jack. Come bubbles. Good boy. Ice in the water.
You can use them like these.
Good. Looking at the bottom, Emily. Very good. Good.
Jojo? Keep it on.
Ready? What? Okay, we will.
Kick, kick, Emily. Good. Look at me. Kick your feet.
Good job, Jack.
Kick your feet, Emily.
Good boy, Jack. Keep coming. You're doing great.
Stretch way out. Kick at the top, Emily. Kick at the top. Kick at the top. Kick to me. Kick to me. Kick your
Good
feet.
boy, Jack. Kick at the top. You're almost there. You're doing great. Okay, bend over like this. Ready? Keep your head down. Come on, no kicking. No kicking. Good boy, Jack. Turn around and come back. You're gonna get out, Jojo. I know you're probably tired. You've been in work. Yeah, that's amazing, Rachel. You're so good.
Okay, Jackson, I'm going to pull there from
Line
back
up.
to the back.
We're gonna let you go out. Okay, right over here. Bend over. Yep. Bend over. Okay, keep your head down, Jack. No kicking now. Wait till we get in the water. Put your head down, please. Keep it down. Come.
Head between your arms.
It's sitting there. Well, as far as the camera goes, is it in the car still? No, yes, but I need to see that camera.
Question is not the camera on, it's the phone.
It doesn't